Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can do the Basinator mission in Skate 4. So what I like to do is grind these curves first right here, then just grind these benches. If you don't have enough speed, just push yourself. As you can see, just try to land all the tricks that you do. Let's go back and hit it again. And also, with these, you get points and held tricks. So what you'll need to do is be fast right here with the grinds and the points, because as you can see, you need to get a lot of points. Okay, let's try now to get total spin degrees. It's not that hard to do. As you can see, we got 1 minute left, and we need to do held tricks and total score earned. So it will take a while for us to do, but we can try it to. And as you can see, we did the mission. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you do a Basinator mission in Skate 4. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.